This 3 Telegram bots will amaze you. Bot number 1. Anonymous chat. Search anonymous chat on Telegram. Click on Start. This bot is same as Omegle. You can find different people from different countries. Also you can make new friends, chat with them, share your relations, meet them or date them. Bot number 2. Truecaller bot. Search Truecaller bot on Telegram. With the help of this bot you can get to know the name of any person by using their contact number. Bot number 3. Andy English bot. Search Andy English bot on Telegram. This bot will help you learn and practice English. You can chat, do exercises, learn grammar and play games. You can also play different games such as grammar, words, emojis. In emojis you have to guess the name of the emoji by simply watching it.